Hey guys, magandang umaga. Today, ipagpapatuloy natin ang golf fundamentals. Ang topic na i-discuss natin today is number 1, setup. Number 2, balance. Number 3, takeaway. Number 4 is focus on hitting the ball. Okay? Yun lang ang di-discuss natin today, and I hope na ma-adapt ninyo itong lesson na ito. Because from the last lesson, I think you guys are adapting it. Today, we're hitting the ball using the right concept and go slow. Go slow this time, right? Para ma-adapt ninyo. Para ma-adapt ninyo properly, maging balance yung pag-aaral ninyo ng golf, right? And I'm sure may mga bagay na kayo na nice to have, katulad ng gloves, of course, katulad ng club, kahit na isa lang, at pitching wedge, kasi nag-aaral, nag-i-start pa lang kayo, right? So, we need to have that. And then, of course, dapat malinis yung clothing ninyo. Kung nasa driving range kayo, uh, at least presentable, right? Importante yon para ma-build yung tamang etiquette ng golf. Okay? So, again, apat na bagay pag-uusapan natin about setup, okay? Being balanced, your posture, okay? Number 4, the number 3 is the takeaway. In number 4 is yung just focus on hitting the ball. Just like that. Nothing else that we need to talk about today except with that. And importante yon na ma-adapt ninyo. And, you know, everything is about setup, right? So, setup towards to your left leg, okay? Grip, okay? Interlock, and yan, nasa middle yung iyong position, right? So, with that, again, we will focus on hitting the ball only. Just hitting the ball properly. Make a contact on the ball, right? That's your setup. This is your takeaway, 9 o'clock. I'm gonna go sideways para makita ninyo properly, okay? And I hope you are seeing it. But look at my hands, right? Has to be straight. Look at your club. Level sa iyong tuhod. Level sa iyong tuhod. And stay that way. Stay that way para ma-adapt mo, okay? So, itong lesson na ito is really focus on hitting the ball. Okay? Focus on hitting the ball. Set up. Pakinggan mo yung katawan mo, okay? Be balanced. Be balanced. 9 o'clock. Stay. Just hold it. And then hit. Okay? You start that way. I know. Every contact matters. Every contact matters. Okay? 9 o'clock. Hit the ball. Okay? Kinakailangan straight, right? So, para maging straight yung follow mo sa bola, kinakailangan tama yung takeaway mo and your follow through. Okay? Again, ito yung 9 o'clock. Your follow through is 3 o'clock. Okay? You see that? Takeaway, 9 o'clock. I want you to hold it. Just hold it. I want you to feel it. Okay? Want you to feel it. Then hit. I want you to feel it. So, kung bata pa yung anak mo, just keep practicing that way. 9 o'clock, I want you to hit it. I want you to hold it. Hold it. Focus on hitting the ball, okay? Focus on hitting the ball. Perfect. Perfect. Keep repeating. Keep repeating the same sequence, right? Keep repeating the same sequence. There you go. Keep repeating the same sequence, okay? 9 o'clock, hit it. Keep repeating the same sequence, okay? 9 o'clock, takeaway, hit it. 9 o'clock, takeaway, hit it. Again, just to recap, to close the session today, proper setup, takeaway 9 o'clock, follow through at 3 o'clock, right? Kinakailangan balance, have to be balanced, right? And be patient. Give yourself 10 seconds before hitting a shot, okay? Just make sure you are balanced. And just, again, focus on just hitting the ball. Focus on hitting the ball. Make the right contact. That's all it matters. It doesn't matter how long, how short, how high, and how low, okay? Make the right contact. That's all it matters. Golf is all about making the right, proper contact to the club base. Once you make the proper contact on a club base, you will see it. If you look at my, probably not visible really, is a lot of my shots right on the middle. It's still brand new club that I have, but I have a club that worn out on the middle. Okay? Thank you for watching. I will see you at the next video. God bless.